Concerned about your account security or simply want to update your login credentials? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to change your Crypto.com password and keep your digital assets protected. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Regularly updating your password is a fundamental security practice, especially when it comes to protecting your cryptocurrency investments. Let's get your password updated in just a few taps. First, log into your Crypto.com app and navigate to your security settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings or Security from the menu options. Look for the Change Password option in the security menu. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This is a security measure to confirm your identity before making any changes. Create a strong new password that you haven't used elsewhere. Crypto.com requires a minimum of 8 characters, but I recommend using at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. After entering your new password twice to confirm there are no typos, tap Save or Confirm to finalize the change. You'll receive a confirmation email from Crypto.com verifying that your password has been successfully updated. A crucial pro tip: consider using a password manager to generate and store complex, unique passwords. This ensures you have strong security without the struggle of remembering complicated passwords. Never reuse passwords across different platforms, especially for financial accounts. And just like that, you've strengthened your account security with a fresh, strong password. Regular password updates are a simple habit that provides powerful protection. If this security tutorial helped you feel more secure, please give it a like. How often do you update your financial account passwords? Share your security habits in the comments below. To continue managing your account details, subscribe for our next video on how to update your email on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.